Good day, sir. My name is EJ Mark Duterte, and I present the correction of the current variation. To find variation given here, we need the variation from the compass rose. So, ang given nga gihatag sa compass rose is 4 degree, 15 minutes west, 2009, 8 minutes east. So, ang present o ang current year is ato i-subtract. So, ang 2025 minus 2009 is 16. So, ang 16, i-multiply nato sa 8 minutes s. So, 16 times 8 equals 128. 128 minutes. So, convert into degree. 128 divide 60 equals 2.13 degree. So, ato i-subtract ang percent sa current year. So, 2025, 2.13 degree is minus 2009, 4 degree, 15 minutes west. So, ang variation is 2 degree, 2 minutes west. So, dako man ang current year kaysa sa present year. So, ang variation nato is 2 degree, 2 minutes west. So, that's all.